Hello there, Michael from the Academy. Hope you're well today. We're actually in the most valuable part of the school, in my opinion, and this is the seed bank. This is where we store all the seeds for future years and hopefully future generations. And without the storage of seed, there's no real food security. So one of the things we like to do is teach the students how to save all kinds of seed. And as you can see, we've been saving seed over the last 10 years, and this is some of the seed we've saved this year. We've got scarlet runner bee. We just mark everything, what it is and the year it's been saved. And most seeds last anywhere between 5 to 10 years. Scarlet runner bean, well, that'll last up to 10 years. So we don't need to save all the seeds every year. We just need to have a 5-year rotation where we're just saving some of the seeds every 5th year. That's scarlet runner bean. It's a Tuscan kale seed. So Tuscan kale's in the brassica family. As you can see, we've got tens of thousands of Tuscan kale seeds. And one of the things we like to do here in the school garden is we share all these seeds amongst community groups. So any community gardens or people groups we actually just send the seed to. Here's one that's quite rare. This is actually a purple broccoli. So all the students are involved with growing food and obviously saving the seed. And another thing we do here at the school, we send a lot of this seed overseas. So when I go overseas on foreign aid projects, I always take some seed from the school that the children have saved. So it means they're part of actually feeding the hungry. That's purple broccoli. Here's some swede seeds. Some seeds we don't get as many of. We only had about 5 or 10 swede plants to save this year. And as long as the seeds are nice and dry and you get a bit of husk with it, doesn't matter. So there's the swede seed. So as I said, without the saving of locally adapted self-replicating seeds that keep on reproducing, there's no real food security. So as I said, that's our most valuable part of the whole school. You know, it's just irreplaceable there. The other thing we've been doing is we just harvest our potatoes. So this is our potato seed. So this is both the potato seed for next year, but also potatoes for eating, of course. We cook at the school 5 days a week. That's Kennebec. That's a good all-rounder. King Edward, it's a good old-fashioned one, good baking one, good mash, good chipping. My favourite down here is the Dutch cream. That's another good all-rounder, but makes beautiful mashed potato. So as you can see, we've got a really good crop. The students have dug those last week. It's actually school holidays at the moment. There's no students here at the moment, but when they get back, another job they're going to be doing is saving carrot seed. So this carrot seed is called All Seasons. And we just chop it off with the secateurs out in the garden, and then all they do then is just basically flick the seed and it all comes off. Actually quite an enjoyable job, especially on a murky wet day. You can go inside and actually do a pleasant job like that. And then ultimately when that's ground off, we just put these in a little packet again. So when that job's finished, we'll put them in a big storage container, seal them up, and then it'll be added to our collection for next year. So that's our seed bank and our seed storage system. Can't stress enough how important it is to save your own seeds, and especially for the future generations of kids to grow up growing food and saving seed. Hope that you found that interesting. We'll catch you next time. Bye.